All right, good morning, everyone. So this is the notes for your topic under the topic multiplication division of numbers index form. Make sure that these pages are available and you stick it inside your notebook, page 33 and 34, right? Make sure you stick this in your page 33 and 34. Now, I just explained to you just now through WhatsApp that the rules are provided as follows, okay? And this one, right? So the general rule for multiplying numbers index form are you make sure that n are the same base and different powers. So what do you do with the powers? You have to add them together. So let's proceed to the examples, all right? Now, example one, simplify the following, give each answer index form. Now, what you're going to do is look at the first one. The first one is 4 power 3 times 4 power 8. So it will become this one. As you can see here, let me change the color first. All right. Now, 4 power 3 times 4 power 8 have the same base. So basically, you have to just simply add the powers together. And then you will get 4 power what? So you can get 4 power 11. And that's it. Right? And now the next one. The next one over here is you have to do the same thing and check again. Let's check 9 squared times 9 power 4 and 9. So 9 here, what do you think is the power? So the power is actually 9 power 1. So you can have 9 power 2 plus 4 plus 1. Don't forget the 1, right? And as the final answer, you can get 9 power 2 plus 4 plus 1 should be 6 plus 1 should be 7, right? That's it. And then for the next one here, make sure that the base are the same. But looking at the question, 2 power 5 times 3 power 2 times 2 power 4. You can see here there's 3 that is different over here. So it is not included in the rule. Okay, in the rule that you have to add the powers when they have the same base, but 3 is different. So you can do it separately like this one. So 2 power 5 plus 4 because it's common, the base are common, and then you have to multiply it with 3 square. So that's not involved at all. It's different base. Now your final answer will be 2 power 9 times 3 square, right? Okay, that's for multiplication of numbers index form, right? For the next one, let's have a look at the division. Okay, this is the rule that I explained just now through WhatsApp. Okay, canceling, and then you have this one, and you have to remember this rule. Okay, remember this rule that when you divide numbers index form, you have to subtract the powers. Okay, let's have a look at the next example. Example 2, simplify the following, give each answer index form. For A, okay, correction for A, you have to change the example for the second one. It's not 4 power 2, it's 8 power 2, okay? Once again, I repeat, for example 2A, please correct the example number, okay? Now, this one, 8 power 6 divided by 8 power 2. So, it's obvious that they have the same base. You just have to subtract the powers because it's a division, okay? Right, let's proceed. Okay, Now, what do you do with the power? You have to subtract them directly. All right, you have to subtract them. 8 power 6 minus 2. So in the final one, you can have a 8 power 4. That's it. Okay, and then for part B, it's kind of slightly difficult, but it's doable. Okay, let's have a look here. 7 power 9 divided by 7 power 1 times 7 power 3. Here, you can have, here, the first step you have to do is you have to consider the denominator ones, because here you have to multiply first. Because here it's ungiven, it's not given, but actually the bottom one you have to have a bracket sign. Okay, now all you have to do is you have to make the fraction back. Okay, and then this power 7 power 9 is not yet disturbed, but 7 at the denominator, it's 7 power 1 plus 3, because they have the same base and there is multiplication in between. So 7 power 1 times 7 power 3. So here you can have, okay, fraction 7 power 9 over 7 power 4. Now when you have look at this one, it becomes much easier to do, because all you have to do is 7 power 9 is divided by 7 power 4. So it follows the rule of this one, right? This one, you follow this. So it becomes 7 power 9 minus 7 power 4. So your final answer is 7 power what? 7 power 7 power 5. All right, so that's it for the examples. Okay, please do your classwork afterwards. Thank you very much. See you again.